Peonies are beloved garden classics, cherished for their timeless beauty and elegance. Their lush blooms and intoxicating fragrance make them a favorite among gardeners and flower enthusiasts alike. They are relatively easy to grow, requiring minimal maintenance once established. With proper care, peonies can thrive for generations, rewarding you with a spectacular floral display each spring. These flowers often become a cherished part of family traditions. Peonies come in a wide variety of colors, adding vibrant hues to any garden. These include shades of pink, white, red, coral, and yellow, each bringing its own unique charm. They also have different bloom forms, from the classic to the exotic. Some popular choices are the classic double blooms, the delicate single blooms, and the unique Japanese-style blooms, each offering a distinct visual appeal. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or just starting, peonies are a wonderful addition to any garden, providing beauty and elegance. Their beauty and longevity make them a worthwhile investment, creating lasting memories for generations. In this essay, we will delve into the art of cultivating these stunning flowers, exploring tips and techniques for optimal growth. Let's embark on a journey to achieve peony perfection in your own backyard, transforming your garden into a floral paradise. Creating the ideal environment is crucial for healthy peony growth and abundant blooms. Peonies thrive in well-drained soil. Amend heavy clay soil with organic matter to improve drainage. Sunlight is essential for peonies. They prefer at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Choose a location that receives ample sunshine for optimal growth and flower production. Spacing is also important when planting peonies. Allow 3 to 4 feet between plants. This spacing prevents overcrowding. It also ensures good air circulation, reducing the risk of diseases. Planting peonies correctly is crucial for their long-term health and blooming success. Autumn is the best time to plant peonies. The cooler temperatures allow the roots to establish themselves before winter. Start by digging a hole twice as wide and as deep as the root ball. Amend the soil with compost or well-rotted manure to provide nutrients. Place the peony root in the hole, making sure the eyes, small buds, are facing upwards. Cover the roots with soil and water deeply. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of the plant to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Caring for your peonies, nurturing beauty. Peonies are a timeless addition to any garden, known for their lush blooms and vibrant colors. Once your peonies are planted, proper care is essential for their well-being. Start by choosing a sunny spot with well-drained soil. Water your peonies deeply and regularly, especially during dry spells. Consistent moisture is key to healthy growth. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Ensure the soil is moist but not waterlogged. Fertilize peonies in early spring with a balanced fertilizer. This provides essential nutrients for robust blooms. Sprinkle the fertilizer around the base of the plant and water it in well. This helps the nutrients reach the roots effectively. Protect your peonies from pests such as ants and botrytis blight. Regular inspection can help catch issues early. Ants are attracted to the sweet nectar produced by peony buds. They are often seen crawling on the buds. While they don't harm the plant, they can be a nuisance. Keeping them under control is important for the plant's health. Control ants by using ant baits or diatomaceous earth around the base of the plant. These methods are effective and safe for the plant. Botrytis blight is a fungal disease that can affect peonies, especially in humid conditions. It appears as grey mold on the plant. Prevent botrytis blight by ensuring good air circulation and avoiding overhead watering. Proper spacing and watering techniques are crucial. Maintaining peony perfection, pruning, dividing, and more. Maintaining your peonies properly ensures their long-term health and vibrant blooms. Deadhead spent blooms regularly to encourage more flowers. This simple act of removing faded flowers can make a significant difference in the overall appearance and health of your peony plants. Cut the flower stalk back to the foliage. This prevents the plant from wasting energy on seed production. By doing so, you help the plant conserve its energy for next year's growth and flowering. Prune peonies in the autumn after the foliage has died back. Cut the stems down to the ground and dispose of them properly. This helps to prevent any potential diseases from overwintering in the old foliage. Divide peonies every few years to maintain their vigor and prevent overcrowding. Overcrowded peonies can lead to reduced flowering and increased susceptibility to diseases. The best time to divide peonies is in the autumn. This allows the plants to establish themselves before the winter sets in. Carefully dig up the plant and divide the root ball into sections, each with at least 3 to 5 eyes. These eyes are the growth points for new stems and flowers. Replant the divisions in well-prepared soil, ensuring proper spacing. Proper spacing allows for good air circulation, which is crucial for preventing fungal diseases. By following these tips, you can enjoy the timeless elegance of peonies in your garden for years to come. Happy gardening!